We live on a tiny blue world, drifting through a sea of infinite darkness. For thousands of years, we've looked up and asked the big questions. Where did we come from? How does it all work? And are we truly alone? The universe isn't silent. It's speaking to us. It speaks through gravity, energy, and time. It speaks in the bending of light around supermassive black holes, and in the explosive fires of supernovae. It is a place of violence and breathtaking beauty, a place where dead stars spin faster than a kitchen blender, acting as lighthouses in the dark. A place where space itself is stretching apart, pulling the fabric of reality with it. Understanding this isn't just science.
It's about figuring out our place in the story.
But here is the problem. Usually, the language of the universe, astrophysics and cosmology, is just too hard. It's locked behind complicated math and boring lectures. If you're curious, it's frustrating. You either get simple videos that treat you like a child, or dense textbooks that require a PhD to understand. We believe the coolest truths about reality should belong to everyone. We believe you shouldn't have to be a mathematician to feel our worth. Welcome to the Physics and Cosmos Academy. This is not just another space channel. This is a new home for high-quality, beautiful space documentaries. Our goal is simple. We take the hardest, most complex topics in space physics, and we turn them into stories that actually make sense. We don't just tell you that a black hole is heavy. We use incredible visuals to show you what happens if you fall into one, explaining the physics in a way that just clicks. So, where are we going? Epic journey from the Big Bang through cosmic evolution, the formation of first atoms, cosmic microwave background, and the ignition of the very first stars lighting up the cosmic dark ages. We're going back to the beginning, 13.8 billion years ago, to the Big Bang. We'll watch the first atoms form, and see the moment the very first stars ignited to light up the dark ages. Tour of our solar system showing its violent formation, then zooming in on Europa, with cross-section view revealing the hidden ocean beneath its icy surface. We'll explore our own neighborhood, the violent history of the solar system, and the secrets hidden beneath the ice of moons like Europa, a deep dive into the search for extraterrestrial life and the humanity-defining quest to find answers beyond Earth. From Europa's subsurface ocean to distant exoplanets with atmospheric analysis, showing spectral signatures that could indicate life. And we're going to tackle the biggest mystery of them all, aliens. We're moving beyond sci-fi. We're going to look at the real science of hunting for life, from the oceans inside our own solar system to the atmospheres of distant exoplanets, looking for the chemical fingerprints that prove we aren't alone. And sequence showcasing the most extreme objects in the universe, neutron stars with crushing gravity, magnetars with powerful magnetic fields that could strip atoms apart. But we also go to the extremes. We'll visit the monsters of the deep space, the crushing gravity of neutron stars, and the terrifying power of magnetars. And we won't hide the stuff we don't know. We'll dive into the struggles astronomers face right now, like how hard it is to see the first galaxies with the James Webb Telescope, or the invisible puzzle of dark matter. We'll talk about the things that keep physicists awake at night, like the battle between quantum mechanics and gravity, and the mystery of dark energy tearing the universe apart. The universe is huge, but we can understand it. If you want content that respects your intelligence, if you want to learn but also be amazed, then you're in the right place. Don't just watch the stars, understand them. Subscribe to the Physics and Cosmos Academy right now. Join us, and let's unlock the secrets of the universe together. The cosmos is calling. Let's go explore.